Hi guys, and welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin, and today we're going to be making Bahamian potato bread. So let's get into the video. So for this recipe, here are all the ingredients you will need. As always, all of the measurements will be down below, and you'll also need flour. So first I'm going to start off by cutting off the ends of my sweet potato, and then I'm going to cut it in half to make it easier to grate. Now I'm going to start grating my sweet potato. I used about 90% of the sweet potato. Now I'm going to be grating my coconut. I did use a different side of the grater just so the coconut would be finer. You can also use this side to grate the sweet potato as well if you want a smoother texture. Now I'm just going to throw everything in the bowl, mix it up, and bake. You don't have to do this in no particular order, but what I like to do is start with the sugar and spices, and then I'm going to taste the mixture just to make sure it tastes to my liking. So if I need to add more spices such as cinnamon or nutmeg, or if I need to add more sugar, then I will do that. The flour acts as a binder for the potato bread, so you can add more than the measurements I have listed down below if you want a more bread-like texture. So once everything is mixed up and it tastes to your liking, you're just gonna put it in your oven safe dish and bake until it's all done. Once the potato bread has cooled and set, just serve it up and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and be sure to comment and subscribe and share. And until next time, bye!